Girls, I got another fun printable for you, a cute little Easter carrot patch truck printable that we're going to use to make a really simple, easy sign. So I grabbed this this wood block from Michael's. It's about 5 inches, and I'm just going to paint it white with some white craft paint, apple barrel, any kind of paint will do, and I'm going to use a foam brush to apply it. Now I'm going to go ahead and paint the whole sign, the bottoms, the sides, and everything, because I don't want any of the wood surface to be showing when I put the printable on there. And I am really loving these printables right now because they're easy, simple ways to add a little bit of extra decor to your tiered trays or your displays, and you can just print them right at home. This one is actually available on our website right now. It is free, so go ahead and grab it while you can. The next thing I'm going to do is cut out the printable. So these printables are sized in a couple different sizes. This one's about 5 inches. It has a 5-inch option, a 3.5-inch option, and it also comes in an 8x10 option. So I'm just gonna cut it out and then line it up on my sign. All right, so now I'm just gonna make sure to see where it needs to go. And then I am going to use my favorite craft tool ever, which is Mod Podge. I feel like everybody needs a little bit of Mod Podge in their life. There's so much you can do with it. And then you can either put it on the printable, or you can put it on the sign. It really doesn't even matter. You just want to make sure to put a generous amount on there, and then kind of smooth it out. And then you'll want to line it up on where you want it to go on your sign. Now you have a couple of chances to, if you put it in the wrong place, you can always pick it up and kind of put it in the right place and reposition it. So I'm going to go ahead and lay this down here and kind of tap it down with my fingers. You'll also want to get something like maybe a credit card or a little scraper that you can use to kind of make it as flat as you can. Now I'm also going to go in and put the Mod Podge around the sides, because the sides are what's going to like hold your printable down. So I'm going to go ahead and put some Mod Podge on the sides of my sign. And that's pretty much it. So I'm just really going to make sure that the sign is adhered good, and then I'm going to come back with you and show you the finished sign in just a sec. Now in the end, I'm going to add just a small layer of Mod Podge across the top just to kind of seal the sign. See how easy that was? Now it took maybe less than 5 minutes, and now we have a super cute sign to add to our Easter displays or decor. And this sign or this printable is available for free right now on our website. I'm going to drop the link below.